How to remove your favorite music from your account on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and once you're here click these 3 points and then click edit profile and scroll all the way down, click interests, and then here we'll find it. Now remove it and then type anything you want here, or you can just make it like that, and if you want to remove it just delete it and save it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.